Hi, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Get the latest update on Catherine, Princess of Wales' health journey. After bravely sharing her cancer diagnosis, Kat has announced that she's finished chemotherapy and is now cancer-free. In this video, we will dive into her inspiring story from her diagnosis to her recovery. Kate Middleton was diagnosed with a rare and aggressive from a cancer, but she showed incredible strength and resilience throughout her treatment. Her fans and supporters have been rallying around her, praising her bravery and positivity. Recently, Kat shared a heartwarming moment with a young photographer named Liz Hatton, who's also battling cancer. The two met at Windsor and Kat was moved by Liz's story and talent. Now that Kat has finished chemotherapy, she is focusing on staying cancer-free. Her path to recover may be long, but she is optimistic and grateful for the support of her loved ones and fans. So stay tuned for more updates on Kate Middleton's health journey and other royal family's news. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Catherine, Princess of Wales, has recently shared an update on her health journey, revealing that she is cancer-free after undergoing chemotherapy. Kat's bravery and positivity throughout her treatment has inspired countless fans and supporters. The princess has been upon about her experience using her platform to raise awareness about cancer and mental health. Kat's latest health update has sparked widespread celebration and relief among royal watchers. Her recovery is a testament to her strength and resilience. Kate Middleton's down-to-earth personality and reliability have endeared her to people worldwide. Her dedication to philanthropic causes, particularly mental health and children's welfare, has earned her widespread admiration. Kat's fashion sense and style have made her a beloved icon in the fashion world. Her love story with Prince William has captivated audience, and their family is often seen as a symbol of hope and happiness. Kat's kindness, empathy, and compassion have made her a beloved figure in British society. Her ability to connect with people from all walks of life has helped bridge the gap between the royal family and the public. Kat's commitment to her charitable work has inspired a new generation of philanthropists. Her authenticity and humanity have made her a role model for a young woman. Kat's devotion to her family and her role as a mother has resonated with parents worldwide. Her intelligence, wit, and sense of humor have made for a favorite among royal watchers. Kat's health journey has inspired others to share their own stories and seek support. Her bravery has encouraged people to prioritize their mental and physical well-being. Kat's experience have highlighted the importance of early cancer detection and treatment. Her positivity has shown that in challenging times there is always hope. Kat Middleton's inspiring story has committed her place as one of the most beloved members of the royal family. So get the latest updates on Catherine's Princess of Wales health journey. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. After bravely sharing her cancer diagnosis, Kat has announced that she is finished chemotherapy and is now cancer-free. So in this video, we will dive into her inspiring story from her diagnosis to her recovery and exploring why people love her. A photo of Kat Middleton with a bright smile. A screenshot of Kat's latest health update. A collage of Kat's most iconic fashion moments. A photo of Kat with her family. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Kate Middleton's fashion journey began with her university days, where she developed a ancient for classic timeless pieces. Her early style was characterized by comfortable practical clothing suitable for a student. After graduating, Kat's fashion sense evolved, reflecting her growing interest in high-end fashion. Upon marrying Prince William, Kat became an instant royal fashion icon. Her wedding dresses, designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen, cemented her status as a style influence. Kat's fashion choice often blend high-end designer pieces with affordable high-street brands. During her pregnancy, Kat's fashion evolved to accommodate her growing bump. She opted for comfortable flowing dresses and coats that showcase her elegance. Kat's maternity style inspired expectant mothers worldwide. Kat's go-to designers include Alexander McQueen, Jenny Pickham, and Emilia Wicksteed. She frequently wears pieces from British brands, sporting homage talent. Kat's love for hats and fascinators has made her a favorite among millionaires. Kat's red carpet appearances are highly anticipated, with her stunning gowns making headline. Her 2019 BAFTA dresses, designed by Alexander McQueen, was a standout moment. And Kat's fashion risks, like her 2017 Cannes Film Festival look, often pay off. Kat's casual style is just as impressive, often incorporating affordable pieces. Her love for sneakers, particularly Superga and Nike, makes her retireable. Kat's street style is characterized by comfortable chic outfit. Kat fashion choices increasingly prioritize sustainability and eco-friendliness. She repeats outfits and rewears favorite pieces, promoting responsible fashion. Join us as we explore Catherine Wales' remarkable fashion evolution. From her early university days to her current status as a royal fashion icon, Kat's style has captivated audience worldwide. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please tell me in the comment box. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please share this video with your family and friends, and tell me in the comment box what would you like to see next. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, on my channel you will get to see the latest fashion, trend and style from American woman, British woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports, style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe my channel and let's explore the fashion together. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, on my channel I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. So thank you very much again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.